The transformation hall comes into view. Layered materials shape durability and weight balance. Precision casting reveals lifelike detail. Now technology verifies every detail. Every lifelike creation begins as liquid silicone. Raw material is measured with industrial precision. Quality begins at the chemical source. From supplier to factory, logistics keep production moving. The journey shifts towards specialized manufacturing. Here, raw silicone will become lifelike form. Arrival inside the facility marks the next controlled step. Material moves through a carefully mapped production path. Transfer begins under strict industrial control. The transformation hall comes into view. Preparation shifts into active processing. Raw silicone enters its first stage of refination. Precise additives determine flexibility and realism. Catalysts activate the curing reaction. Color blending shapes lifelike appearance. Controlled parameters ensure structural integrity. Degassing removes microscopic imperfections. Degassing removes microscopic imperfections. Preparation ensures flawless separation after curing. Internal frameworks provide realistic articulation. Layered materials shape durability and weight balance. Liquid form meets engineered structure. Sealed molds prepare for controlled curing. Heat transforms liquid into lifelike form. Time and temperature complete the curing reaction. Precision casting reveals lifelike detail. Surface finishing sharpens realism. Structural form prepares for artistic detail. Layer by layer, lifelike tones are built. Now realism moves from structure to surface. Detail transforms material into believable form. Surface protection preserves every detail. Facial structure defines the character of the form. Precision brings expression to life. Automation and skill merge in delicate assembly. Thousands of strands are placed with measured accuracy. Refinement shapes the final silhouette. Components unite into a single form. Mobility defines structural realism. Now technology verifies every detail. Precision scanning measures every contour. Final surface adjustments refine realism. Careful styling completes the expression. Quality control begins. Under clinical light. Each joint endures measured repetition. Material resilience confirms durability. Surface detail defines authenticity. Optical calibration ensures precision. With approval granted, it moves to dispatch. The final stage begins with protective preparation. Precision packaging preserves every detail. Each unit is sealed and serialized. Bulk preparation readies them for shipment. Distribution connects factory to destination. And this is how modern factories produce ultra-realistic silicone dolls from start to finish.
This line is jammed again. We need to clear it.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.